Welcome friends. Starts with five kingdom classification. In 1937, E. Catton suggested term of prokaryotic and described bacteria and eukaryotic to describe the animal and the plant cells. In 1967, Robert Whitaker introduced the five kingdom classification system. Basis of five kingdom system. The level of cellular organization, which is a prokaryotic, unicellular eukaryotic, multicellular eukaryotic. The principal modes of nutrition, which is a photosynthesis, absorption, ingestion. Five kingdoms. They are the kingdom Plantae, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Animalia, kingdom Protista, kingdom Monera. In 1988, Margulis and Schwartz modified the five kingdom classification of Whitaker. They consider genetic along with cellular organization and mode of nutrition in classification. Now starts with the kingdom Monera. Characteristic of kingdom Monera. It includes the prokaryotic organisms. Monera are unicellular. Most are heterotrophic, but some perform photosynthesis. Two different kinds of organism, that is the bacteria and the cyanobacteria. There are two subkingdoms of kingdom Monera. Archaebacteria can live in the most extreme of environments. Eubacteria is also called the true bacteria. These bacteria live in very hot, acid habitats of 60 to 80 and pH of 2 to 4, like the photo of hot springs below the red stain on the rocks are the prokaryotic cells. Eubacteria are more modern bacteria, inhabit the nearly every known habitat. Consumers, producers and decomposers. Some cause diseases, but most are the harmless. Kingdom Protista. And the characteristics are, it includes eukaryotic unicellular and simple multicellular organism. There are three main types of the prostate. First one is the alga, second one is the protozoans, and third one is the fungi-like protists. Next one is the kingdom fungi. And the characteristics are, it includes eukaryotic multicellular heterotrophs which are absorptive in their nutritional modes. Example is the mushroom. Most fungi are decomposers. They live on organic material, secrete digestive enzyme and absorb the small organic molecules formed by the digestion by enzyme. Next one is the kingdom Plantae. And the characteristics are, it includes eukaryotic multicellular autotrophs. Plants are autotrophic in nutritional mode, making their own food by the photosynthesis. They have multicellular sex organs and form the embryos during their life cycle. Example is the mosses, ferns and flowering plants are included in their kingdom. Next one is the kingdom Animalia. And the characteristics are, it includes the eukaryotic multicellular consumers. Animals live mostly by ingesting food and digesting it within specialized cavities. They lack cell wall and shows the movements. These are the distinguishing characteristics of the five kingdoms of life. The kingdom Monera is the prokaryotic, Protista is eukaryotic, Fungi is eukaryotic, Plantae is eukaryotic, and the Animalia is again the eukaryotic. Only Monera is the prokaryotic cell. Now next one is the nuclear envelope. In that the Monera, which is the absent, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia, they are already present. Next one is the cell wall. In the Monera, they are the non-cellular, Protista, present in some forms, fungi, chitin, Plantae, cellulose and other polysaccharides, and the Animalia, which is the absent. Mode of nutrition, which is the Monera, which is the autotroph and the heterotroph, Protista, photosynthetic or the heterotroph or the combination. Fungi, absorptive heterotroph, Plantae, photosynthetic, Animalia, ingestive heterotroph. Multicellularity in the Monera, which is the absent, Protista absent in most forms, Fungi present in the most form, Plantae present in all forms, and Animalia, which is the present. Thank you.